Okay, now let's have dividing simple fraction by another simple fraction. Okay, number 1 example, 2/3 divided by 1/7. So the solution is to first get the reciprocal of the divisor. So meaning yung kabaliktaran ng divisor natin, which is ang divisor natin is 1/7. The reciprocal is 7 over 1. Okay, the next, after natin nakuha ang reciprocal ng divisor, i-change natin yung divide sa multiply. Okay, so now we have 2/3 times 7 over 1. So yung divide, pinalitan natin ng times. And then, ni-reciprocal or binaligtad natin yung 1 over 7, naging 7 over 1. And then, i-multiply natin yung numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. So, yan yung third step. So, 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? So, ang result natin, ang quotient natin is 14 over 3, which is improper fraction. Kapag ang quotient ay improper fraction, kailangan nating i-simplify at gawing mixed number. Para maging improper fraction, ang 14 over 3, so, i-divide natin 14 divided by 3. 14 divided by 3 is 4. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then, subtract natin. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Okay? So, yung quotient natin, which is 4, yun yung whole number. And then, yung 2 na remainder, gagawin natin siyang numerator. And then, yung 3 sa divisor, gagawin natin siyang denominator. So, equivalent ng 14 over 3 is 4 and 2/3 sa mixed number. Okay, again, recall lang natin yung solution natin. 2/3 divided by 1/7. Ang gagawin natin, kakopy lang natin yung dividend, which is 2/3. Then, yung divide papalitan ng times. And then, yung reciprocal ng divisor is 7 over 1. And then, i-multiply lang natin yung dalawang fractions, numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. So, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 1 is 3. And then, 14 divided by 3, gagawin nating mixed number. So, it becomes 4 and 2/3. So, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Math Ish, and then click playlist. Okay? So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share.